I think the main implication for Europe is that Europe is now far behind. It's far behind China and it's far behind the US. And I think I just spent 3 months in Berlin. There's a sense of quiet panic in the corridors of power in Europe, not only in Brussels, but also in national governments. And I think this is justified. We sort of somehow lost the plot, and I think the next big question is, can we regain the plot? And if we are to regain the plot, then what policy changes do we need in order to get there? But pretty much, if you look across the waterfront, there are a few European companies that are at the cutting edge. I mean, I've mentioned ASML in Eindhoven.